Hey guys, Varmanati here, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Buds. So before I start the video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video so that I can bring you more such videos. So without any further ado, let's begin with the actual unboxing of the device. So as you can see over here, we have the image in black color since I have the black Galaxy Buds over here. On the right we have the specification stating that it has 6 hours of battery life, which is something which I have to trust really. On the back more information is there and there is nothing else on the box. So let's actually get into the unboxing of the device. There are two locks on the device, so let's begin. So as soon as we remove the box over here, we see that we have the black capsule case which is there, and I have to say that it is really tiny. So before we get in the case, we'll see what else we get in the box. So here we have the extra tips and the cable which is there. It comes in black and it is USB type C cable. So let me show you. So as you can see very clearly here, we have the USB type C cable to charge the cradle, and it is also chargeable wirelessly, and we get the pair of extra buds and tips and fins for different sizes, and you can use any of them to actually fit the earbuds in your ears. And it's nice that Samsung has given roughly two more sizes and two more fins which are there so that they fit really well in your ears. So let's move ahead. We'll see the warranty information which is given, so that's available in the box again. And I think if you are not aware with how to actually use the device or connect the device, I would suggest you read the manual because I think it is really informative. So we have the warranty card and the Galaxy Bud manuals, so definitely it is going to help people who are not very much comfortable with connecting it for the very first time. So keeping it on the side and removing the black capsule over here, I have to say it is really tiny, and the video does not do justice to how small and light it is. And the plastic which is used, by the feel of it, is really premium. And we have the Samsung logo and tuned by AKG branding on the front. On the back we have some specifications, and also we have the USB type C port over there to charge the cradle. So when we open the cradle, actually we see the buds and an LED light which will tell you the charge which is there on the buds, and they feel really good. So let me try and actually connect the buds to the mobile now. So I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and I'll show you if it pops up when I open the cradle. So let's begin. I also have the SmartThing application downloaded. So as you can see, it is not showing up. So let's go in the Gear app to do the pairing process. So for the initial pairing to actually work, you need to have the Samsung Gear wearable app installed on your phone. It is a really useful app, and when we open and go into the settings over here, we have to add new device and it will show Galaxy Buds option. So when you spot the device nearby, and it will show the serial number as well. So you'll just have to click on it once and the buds will get connected to your device. And when we do the initial setup, we also get the information about the buds, and it will tell you if you want to manage notifications and all. And as you can see, the buds are connected for the very first time over here, and this is a very basic and clean app. As you can see, we have the battery indicator for both the buds over there, which is at 95% right now. The actual buds over here, so as you can see, they rest in this very small and tiny case really nicely, and we have a pre-installed fin on it, and it looks really dope in this black color. And on the back over here, we have the actual ear tip and also the three dots which connect for charging the buds. The crate itself is really small, and I have to say that actual buds are really tiny in hand, and I think the video will not be able to do justice to how tiny these buds and how light they actually feel. They have got a modern design to them, and they actually look really nice. And when we take a look at the buds, they have two microphones, one at each, in order to receive the calls. And the touchpad over there, which is present on both the buds, glossy, which might take some scratches, so we'll have to test it later on. And they just snap back into the cradle which is there, and they are not very much magnetic in nature, but I think they rest there really nicely. And when you close the cradle, it looks really small and tiny. It is really pocketable. Now let me show you the connectivity which is there. So right now it is not connected to the device, and as soon as I open the capsule which is there, it will immediately connect to the device provided your Bluetooth is on. And I would say that it is a really fast pairing process, which is not which was not there on Android, at least in terms of these buds. And taking a look at the actual app over there, we have the battery indicator for both the buds where they are on the top. We have the equalizer, which I'll suggest to keep on dynamic because that is really important. We have some notification, and also we have some controls. Well, single tap will play and pause the track, double tap will actually change the track or answer and end the call, and triple tap will go to the previous button. And long pressing has an option which you can customize according to your own need, and I personally have kept it for volume up and down. And other things which are there is find my earbuds, where it will make a sound, a chirping sound, where you can actually find your earbuds if you have misplaced them by a chance. And that's about it. It's a really clean app, and the buds themselves are amazing. On the front over here we have a LED which will indicate the charge which is there in the cradle. So we have three layers of it, which is green, yellow and red. The red will suggest that the cradle is low on power, the yellow will suggest that it has around 50% of charge, and green will suggest it is fully charged. The crate is wirelessly chargeable, and it again provides 7 hours of extra juice for the buds. They also retail for 9,990 Indian rupees, and they are available in three colors: black, white and yellow. So I will test them extensively and I will come up with a full review in a few days. If you have any questions regarding the buds, you can comment in this video. And yeah, if you like the video guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll post the review video in some days, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go and take a look, and definitely subscribe to my channel so that I can get you more such videos. Thank you and have a nice day.